Have you ever felt that pull? That irresistible urge to explore what lies beyond the horizon? That, my friends, is the call of adventure, the allure of the open road, the magic of travel. It whispers promises of new experiences, different cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. It hints at the unknown, the unexplored, the possibility of discovering something new about the world and yourself. Travel is more than just ticking off destinations on a bucket list. It's about immersing yourself in the unfamiliar, opening your heart to different ways of life, and returning home with a fresh perspective. It's about tasting exotic flavors, listening to unfamiliar languages, and witnessing traditions passed down through generations. Whether you yearn for the bustling energy of a vibrant city or the tranquil beauty of a remote island, travel has something for everyone. It's a chance to break free from the routine, to escape the mundane, and to embrace the extraordinary. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey together. Imagine wandering through ancient ruins, feeling the weight of history beneath your fingertips. Picture yourself learning a traditional dance from locals, their laughter echoing in your ears. Envision yourself sipping spiced tea in a bustling marketplace, the aroma of exotic spices filling the air. These are just a few of the countless experiences that await you when you embrace the world of travel. Every destination offers a unique tapestry of culture, history, and natural wonders. You might find yourself captivated by the intricate architecture of a European cathedral, the vibrant colors of a South American festival, or the serene beauty of an Asian temple. Each experience, no matter how big or small, adds a new thread to the rich tapestry of your life. Travel is a sensory feast, engaging all your senses and leaving you with lasting memories. You'll taste flavors you never knew existed, hear music that moves your soul, and see sights that will take your breath away. So, open your heart to the unknown, embrace the unfamiliar, and let the world surprise you with its beauty and diversity. Let's face it, stepping outside our comfort zones can be daunting. It's easy to stick to familiar routines, to gravitate towards the safe and predictable, but travel challenges us to embrace the unknown, to push our boundaries, and to discover hidden strengths we never knew we had. Remember that feeling of accomplishment when you finally conquer a challenging hike and reach the summit, or the pride you feel when you navigate a foreign city using only a map and your intuition? These moments of triumph, big or small, are the building blocks of personal growth. Travel throws you into situations that require adaptability, resourcefulness, and a sense of humor. You'll learn to navigate unfamiliar environments, communicate with people who speak different languages, and problem solve on the fly. These experiences may seem daunting at first, but they are the catalysts for personal growth, resilience, and a newfound confidence that will stay with you long after you return home. Some of the most profound lessons in life are learned not from textbooks or classrooms, but from the open road. Travel has a way of shifting our perspectives, challenging our assumptions, and teaching us valuable lessons about ourselves and the world around us. I remember a time when I was traveling solo in Southeast Asia. I found myself feeling lost and alone, struggling to communicate and navigate a culture vastly different from my own. But it was in those moments of vulnerability that I discovered a strength I never knew I possessed. I learned to trust my instincts, to rely on the kindness of strangers, and to find beauty in the unexpected. Travel teaches us empathy and understanding. It allows us to connect with people from all walks of life, to learn about their cultures, and to appreciate the beauty of our shared humanity. It opens our minds to different ways of thinking, living, and being, broadening our horizons and making us more tolerant and compassionate individuals. Now that you're ready to embrace the transformative power of travel, let's talk about the practicalities. Packing your bags might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to pack light, choosing versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Remember, you can always do laundry on the road. When it comes to planning your itinerary, don't be afraid to leave room for spontaneity. While it's good to have a general plan, some of the most memorable travel experiences happen when you allow yourself to deviate from the beaten path. Talk to locals, ask for recommendations, and be open to unexpected adventures. Research your destination beforehand, familiarizing yourself with local customs, visa requirements, and any necessary vaccinations. Invest in a good travel guidebook or download a reliable travel app to help you navigate your surroundings. And don't forget to pack your sense of adventure. Travel doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and creativity, you can experience the world without emptying your savings account. Consider traveling during the shoulder season, spring or fall, when prices are often lower and crowds are smaller. Look for budget-friendly accommodation options such as hostels, guest houses, or home-sharing platforms. These options not only save you money, but also provide opportunities to connect with fellow travelers and locals. Embrace local transportation options like buses and trains, which are often more affordable and offer a chance to experience the country like a local. Food is a huge part of the travel experience, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Skip the tourist traps and seek out local eateries, street food stalls, and markets for authentic and affordable culinary delights. And remember, some of the best travel experiences are free. Exploring local parks, wandering through colorful neighborhoods, and soaking up the atmosphere of a new city won't cost you a dime. So there you have it. The world is waiting to be explored, and the time to embark on your next adventure is now. Embrace the unknown, step outside your comfort zone, and let travel transform you in ways you never thought possible. Remember, travel is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. It's about the people you meet, the stories you collect, and the memories you make along the way. It's about opening your heart to new experiences, challenging your perspectives, and returning home with a renewed sense of wonder and appreciation for the world around you. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, embrace the journey, and let the world be your classroom. Safe travels, and may your adventures be filled with joy, discovery, and unforgettable moments.